My name is Luis Lopez, and this is my shop in La Mirada. And this is where I do most of the work for all the furniture I built in the house. I've been doing this for a long, long time. I started building things a long time ago when I was a kid, model cars, model planes, and I started working with wood probably in high school, my senior year. And then one of the first jobs I got out of high school was at a model shop, doing prototypes and patterns for different companies and different items. We made mostly everything out of wood. And then from that shop, I went to some engineering companies also as a model maker. This is long before computer graphics were out. Everything was done to scale, and we built everything by hand. I studied architecture at East LA College, not so much to become an architect. I wanted to be a model maker, and in order to become a good architectural model maker, I thought I would study architecture to get a better background. Woodworkers of Whittier, I went to the first meeting, I guess it was 5 years ago, maybe more. I'm the vice president now. They built a lot of small cars and blocks that they give away during the Christmas time to charities. And my hat's off to those guys because they make hundreds and hundreds of cars all year long, along with thousands of blocks. On an annual basis, the wood that they recover from different sites, they take about 20 tons of wood out of the landfill every year with the projects that they do. My latest build is a small chest of drawers my wife wanted for the dining room to put her linen and her silverware in. So as I was building that, some gentlemen from Accurite came to the club meeting and they demonstrated some of their hardware. Discovered the Accurite 3135 EC hardware through a demonstration. And up until now, I've always used the side-mounted ones. But these bottom-mounted glides are a lot easier to use, a lot easier to install, and they do exactly what they say. They're self-closing and they're very easy to use. My wife loves them. And my next project, I think I'm going to use the same ones. I like the way they installed, and I think that's going to be it.